everyone, Anémone here and welcome back to my channel. As you may or may not know, I'm a really teeny tiny baby Twitch streamer and I also do video on YouTube, as you can see now. And today I wanted to show you my setup tour. Right there, right behind me. So buckle up divas and let's go. So welcome guys to this little corner of my room, quite literally because my chair is actually stuck between my desk and this bookshelf, so I cannot escape from this corner. That's why I'm here all day. Maybe. I was thinking to maybe start with the main dish, my computer area, so let's go, shall we? This is where the magic happens when I'm streaming, when I'm editing YouTube videos, when I'm crying my eyes out after losing 10 games of Valorant in a row. So this baby right there is just a little bit over a year old. I bought it last Black Friday, like not 2025, but in 2024. It is an MSI Thin A15. I will put all the informations regarding all the tech and all the little goodies here in the description down below. It's a laptop, and a lot of people have told me that they're quite impressed of what this little beast can do. But yeah, because it can stream at the same time as I'm playing some pretty good games, so it's quite impressive. This is my first gaming PC ever, so I'm quite attached to it and I'm quite proud of it. So my monitor is a Yamaha Red Eagle in 23.8 inches. I really love it. You can also turn it on the side, but I'm not gonna touch anything because the camera is set up and everything, but you can also put it like vertically. It's really cute. Honestly, loved it. It's doing the job, and I feel like the quality is really good, so a major slay. The next here we have here is my mouse. It's a Razer Death Adder from 2021. It only has 2 buttons on the side, but I'm not doing any games like World of Warcraft or anything like that, so that's well enough for me. The next thing that I'm really in love with is my keyboard. It's a random keyboard that I found on Amazon. I wrote the brand down for you, and it's a Kisan, Q-I-S-A-N. Why did I choose it? Because it's white and blue. So yeah. The only thing that was a little bit annoying with that is that it was a QWERTY keyboard, like an American keyboard, and I'm French, so I'm using AZERTY, so I had to manually remove some keys and invert them. On the top here, we've got my Logi, I'm sorry, I don't know, the Streamcam in white, obviously. The only thing is that the cover that I bought separately is black, but it's okay, it's okay. It's not ruining that much the vibe. I was using previously my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I'm filming this video with, but it was quite annoying to set it up, so I decided to invest in this little baby right there so it wouldn't move. The quality is pretty good. I'm not a huge streamer yet. So the quality does the job. Maybe in the future I will invest in like a real camera, but so far so good. The next important thing on my desk is, of course, my mic. Really important as a streamer. So I have an arm here on the side and I have my mic here. So let me just, this is mainly for dust protection that I use it. I don't use that when I'm on stream. But when I'm streaming, I just, I take it from the side and beam, there you go. This is the HyperX Duocast. I've seen a lot of streamers use it, and honestly, it's pretty good. I really like the fact that you can just tap on it to mute and unmute. It's a really good functionality. And here it doesn't show because my computer is turned off, but it shines, like it has some LED lights in it, and it's bright and colorful. That's really cute. And I don't know if you can see, but connected to my mic, I've got my headphones. This is a Sony Double H CH720N. Yes, I had to read it because I could just not remember a bunch of letters and numbers together like this. In blue, obviously. It can be wireless, but because I'm not charging it often, I'm just plugging it in straight into my mic. It's really convenient to work like this. How do I look? I just have one set on headphones for gaming, doing running errands outside, or just dancing alone in my room, and it works perfectly. The only thing is that maybe the noise reduction is not that strong compared to pricier pricier headphones, but I don't really mind. Is my light important? I'm so sorry, I don't really remember where I got it from, just a random store somewhere. I have a bunch of accessories here. Most of them are either from IKEA or from Amazon. For example, this little coaster is from IKEA. This, I don't really know how to call it, but it's also from IKEA. My mouse pad, I think it's from Amazon, as well as this little tripod thing. Not really tripod, but like a phone rest. I don't know how to call it. I got it off of Amazon. I put my phone here when I want to have the chat on my phone, so I can have the chat both on my phone and also on the screen of my laptop. I think the main part is done, so let me show you guys the cable management. I just wanted to state that I'm not a pro of cable management, absolutely not. That's why you can probably see all those cords everywhere, but I think that's the best I can do right now. This desk is like not the best desk. We just got it off of Amazon because it was like an angle desk and I really wanted an angle desk. But if you, it's like a few years old now, like 6 or 7 years old, and I can feel that that would be nice to have a better desk to better improve the cable management and everything. But so far, that's what I'm going with. Hello from this other point of view. For the cable management, I put everything in a cable management box. As you can see, it's still really messy. I think I should put like a tube or something to gather them all. But I don't really see it because it's behind. So yeah, I think I'm fine with it. And so in this box, you will find a mess. It's my little mess. This is a Ugreen USB hub. It's really convenient because I have so many things plugged into my computer, and my computer only have a limited number of USB ports. But yeah, there's a bunch of things plugged in here. So yup. Maybe one of the thing that is annoying, it's the cable of the mic, but it's just dangling right there. It's not really convenient, but it's because I'm moving the mic a lot, so the cable has to be kind of loose. Otherwise, it will be really annoying to, like move the mic back and forth. And also, this is the little headphone stand that I got on Amazon. And this is just like an arm, and I put one of my lights. I'll show you guys later, but like one of the lights that I use when I'm streaming, I just put it here, so I have one light's on this side and the other one on the other side that I just put on top of my laptop. I also completely forgot, but this mic arm was also from Amazon. So this part is more about decoration, but this is an IKEA pegboard. Yes, I know the name is a little weird, but this is where I put like kind of like all of my decoration. I've got some Pokemon, some Ghibli stuff. I have some of my notebooks, some of my pens, just a bunch of decoration because I was really into the pegboard aesthetic on Pinterest at some point, and I really wanted one as well. If you go down here, you've got the angle part of my desk. Right now, it's quite empty, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. Usually, it's really cluttered. This is where I plug all the things that are important. So I have the computer, the monitor, and my light. And I just have one extra outlet hub in the back if I need it. Here are a few drawers. It's really really messy, but hey, it's okay. So the first one is just this. In this pouch I've got a lot of post-it notes. I have a lot of all my stickers here, a few pens, just a mess. I don't even know what that is. My charger for my phone. In the second one, I've got all my streaming slash filming stuff. And in the last drawer, you can find my Switch, my iPad, and a bunch of SSD hard drives. I have one here as well. That's supposed to be here. In the corner right there, I've got more notebooks because I'm such a fan of notebooks. Just a bunch of papers that I need to take care of. Tissue box that usually it's on top of here, but I just wanted to look cute today, so I'm just leaving it right there. And down here is even more electronics, like extra cables, chargers, switch controllers, things like this. It's really messy. Let's forget about this. So as you can see, I have a lot of decoration. I've got some mauve sand cats right there. They're really cute. Regarding my chair, it is from IKEA. It's just a regular office chair. It's the chair I've been having for my studies. So it's like 6 or 7 years old. I have, of course, this little blanket, blue blanket, with me because usually I'm freezing my ass off here. It's probably full of dust, not gonna lie, but slay. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Hello. It's me under the desk. I just needed to show you a few stuff that I have here that I don't use often because it's quite annoying to reach out to. This is just a box where I put a lot of random stuff, like I have an extra mouse in there. I have extra cables, a card game, stuff like this. Then I have the rests for my wrist that I don't use all the time. You just basically put this in front of your keyboard and it's better for your wrist. Then I'm a big artsy girl, even though I haven't done arts in a long time, I feel. But I have my Tombow pencil, not pencil, sorry, my Tombow pen, which are like this. I've got a bunch of pretty colors. And they're really super cool pen because you've got a brush side and then you've got a more like pen side, and it's really cool. I also have the game We're Not Really Strangers that I really like. It's a really cute game. I got it in Canada. Haven't played in a while. And then really quickly down here we've got some markers, like alcohol markers. This board for like cutting stuff. And in here is like all of my art supplies, so like painting, pencils, special erasers, things like this. And the really important thing that I have under my desk is this thing. It's a foot roller. So basically you just put your foot on top of it and you roll it. So if you hear something like on stream, it's because I'm using this. Now more into the decoration part of things. I have my bookshelf right here, which is not stable. So on top of here you've got my IKEA shark and this cute little whale shark that is sleeping. You can see them on my streams all the time. They're so freaking cute. There you've got this kind of like Japanese manga. I say Japanese because they're literally in Japanese. Like, look, the title is in Japanese. You've got a little Pokemon here. You've got some cute little ghibli stuff right there. You've got a cute Manekineko right there, and you've got a cute little Daruma right there. And this is a Shonen Jump, famous manga magazine that's sold in Japan. This is a photo book of Tokyo, and here are just a bunch of books to study Japanese. And here down there is just like random books. A really cute Totoro plushie. And just down there, it's a drawer where I have even more notebooks and admin stuff and school stuff. I'm so sorry it got really dark, but this is the last part. This is my cute little library where I have like most of my mangas and where I have my books that I love so freaking much. As you can see, there's a little bit of decoration here and there. Like I've got some Pokemon figurines. This is facing my desk, who's right there. So when I'm on my desk, I can just, lift up my eyes and I see all these beauties and I'm like, oh, I love you guys so much. And on the side, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little mirror. Well, it's not really little, but where I do most of my fit checks. Yup. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and like it. That would be really nice. And see you soon. Bye.